One of my favourite party foods, these sticky Asian chicken wings are cooked in the oven until really crunchy and then smothered in a sticky sweet Asian style sauce. First, we're going to cut the chicken wings into 2 pieces. You need to find the joint and carefully cut through the gap with a sharp knife. It takes a bit of pressure, so try to make sure your board won't slip around. Add 2 level tablespoons of baking powder, along with 3/4 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper to the wings. It sounds like a lot of baking powder and salt, but it's needed to help draw the moisture out of the chicken to get that really crispy texture. You can hear the baking powder starting to react already. Place the chicken wings on a wire rack over a tray in the oven and heat for 30 minutes on a low heat. Then turn up to a high heat for 45 minutes. Whilst the chicken wings are in the oven, make the sauce. Add oil, soy sauce, sugar, salt, pepper, ginger, garlic, sweet chilli sauce and honey to a pan. And simmer together for 5 to 10 minutes until thick. Then spoon the sauce over the crunchy wings and toss it all together. Sprinkle with spring onions before serving.